Welcome to DV Systems channel, where technology meets peace of mind, and staying connected goes beyond business, right into the heart of your home. For millions of pet owners, leaving home means leaving behind a beloved family member. Whether you're away at work, running errands, or traveling, one thought lingers in the back of your mind: is my pet okay? That's exactly why DV Systems brings you smart pet monitoring solutions that let you see, hear, and even interact with your pets, anytime, from anywhere. You're at the office, it's 1 p.m., and you suddenly wonder if your dog made it out of the crate or if your cat is sleeping on the kitchen counter again. You pull out your phone, open your pet monitoring app, and within seconds, you're watching a live HD video of your pup lounging peacefully in the sun, tail wagging as he hears your voice from the two-way audio speaker. Yes, that's right, two-way communication lets you not only listen in, but also talk to your pets in real time. Whether it's calming an anxious dog, reminding your cat to stay off the sofa, or just saying hello to your curious ferret, the connection is always there. But the benefits go beyond cute check-ins. Pet monitoring systems can alert you to unexpected behaviors, excessive barking, or if your pet enters a restricted area, helping prevent accidents and giving you early warning signs of stress or illness. And if you work with pet sitters, walkers, or trainers, you can grant them controlled access to your camera system, keeping everyone on the same page about your pet's care. With DV Systems, pet monitoring isn't just about security, it's about strengthening the bond between you and your furry friends, no matter where life takes you. Thank you for visiting DV Systems, your trusted partner in smart home solutions that bring peace of mind and joy to everyday life. Want to give your pets the attention they deserve, even when you're not home? Let us help you design a custom pet monitoring setup that fits your home and your lifestyle. Like and subscribe for more stories on how DV Systems keeps you connected to what matters most. Call us at 888-501-5885 or visit us at www.dvcsny.com.